Guys, in today's class we are going to talk about possessive pronoun. Sometimes you might see they like some people call it as possessive articles also. Both of them, they are the same thing. Starting with the definition, what is possessive pronoun? As the name suggests, these pronouns or these articles, they show some type of possession. So for example, if we want to say like whose car is this, so we say this is my car. Whose bottle is this? So this is his bottle. So my car, his bottle, all these words, they show possession, and that is why these pronouns, they are known as possessive pronouns. Now in German we have categories for it. So suppose if you want to say my, okay, now my in German it could be written as mein, mein, mine, for masculine and neutral, and meine for feminine and plural. Then comes your, so your is dein and deine. His is sein and seine. Its is sein and seine. Her is ihre and ihre. Our is unser and unsere. Your is euer and eure. Your is ihre and ihre. Keep this thing in mind that whenever you write this ihre, it will always be with a capital I, even in the middle of the sentence. And the last one is there, which is again ihre and ihre. Okay. Now you might be thinking that why do we have mine and minor? Like why do we have genders here? The question is, like the answer to this question is very simple. Suppose when you want to say my brother, and if you ever focus on this thing that these possessive pronouns, they always come with a noun. Wherever in German any noun comes, the gender comes. So suppose if you want to say my brother in German it's called Bruder and it's masculine. So hence we will look at my, which is masculine. So we have two options, mine or the minor. So mine is the masculine part. So hence it is going to be mein Bruder. Here if you want to say my sister, now sister is feminine, so it becomes meine Schwester. His sister, now for his we have to identify, for his we write sein and seine, but since sister, that is Schwester, it's feminine, it becomes seine Schwester. Okay, so that is why we have genders. It depends on the noun of the gender which is coming after the possessive articles or possessive pronoun, what is going to be your possessive pronoun. Coming to the next element, we have three your. One is dein, the other one is ihre, and the third one is euer. Why do we have three your? Because in English we only use one your. The answer is very simple. Here also we are going to follow the same logic that we have done for personal pronouns, formal and informal, singular and plural. So suppose if I talk about dein or deine, if it is an informal conversation and you're talking to a single person, suppose a friend is talking to another friend, we use dein for it. So like das ist dein Auto, this is your car. Okay. Euer and eure is again your. It is for informal, but this time we are going to use it for the plural cases. A friend talking to more than a friend, like it could be multiple people in an informal setup. So we have two statements, das ist euer Auto, like this is your car, or we can use it as a question also, ist das euer Auto. Next is ihre and ihre, which is like the capital ihre and ihre, which is your. So your is like formal, singular and plural. So for formal, singular and plural, we have das ist ihr Auto, Frau Braun. So ihre Auto, we are talking to Frau. Frau means Miss or Mrs. Brown. So we are going to use the your, which is formal. So this solely depends on formal and informal. If you are having a formal conversation, we will always use ihor or ihero for singular and plural. But suppose if you are having an informal conversation in an informal setup, you will see if it is a singular your, you're going to say thine or thino, and if it is a plural your, it is going to be oyer or oiro. I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any doubts, you can comment down the doubts to me. I will always clear it out. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.